How to withdraw from ATM using Revolut. If you just got your Revolut card and wondering what's the process of withdrawing cash that you have within your Revolut account, in this video, let me show you. Now, like any other card, if you have the card of Revolut, you can just follow the normal process of adding in your card into an ATM machine and following the on-screen prompts. But there are a few things that you need to know in terms of limits and fees. First of all, make sure that you have a sufficient balance inside of your Revolut account and make sure that your PIN is enabled. If you want to learn about fees, you can easily visit help.revolut.com and then search for fees and limits inside of Revolut. Now, the withdrawal limit per day or inside of Revolut is £3,000 per day. You cannot exceed that amount. So if you want to withdraw more, you just need to wait for tomorrow to withdraw more cash. In terms of fees, if you exceed your no fee withdrawal limit, you will be charged 2% depending upon the card or the account that you have. You can also take a look at the details or the limits of no fee withdrawals if you have a standard card. So the limit is £2,000 on a standard account and increases a bit as you have a different account such as premium or metal. So that's the way that you withdraw from a ATM using Revolut. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up.